in a land where colors dance and dreams take flight, where the morning sun kisses the Himalayan heights. From the whispering winds of Chopta Tungnath to the ancient tales that Almora adores, where the rhythms of Rishikesh Street ignite and Himalayan offers pure delight. From the colors in Valley of Flowers embrace to Nanda Devi peak that touches the sky's face. In vibrant hues, the people shine with hearts as warm as the sun's design. Their smiles weave stories old and new, and every love a world view. O Uttarakhand, with your heart so wide, a treasure trove where worlds wonder hide. Our journey begins in Rishikesh, the yoga capital of the world, nestled on the banks of sacred Ganga river. Rishikesh is a spiritual heaven that attracts seekers of peace and adventure alike. Whether you're walking across the iconic Lakshman Jhula or meditating by the Ganga river, this city fills your heart with the peace. But Rishikesh is not just about spirituality, it's also an adventure hotspot, offering thrilling activities like whitewater rafting, trekking, giant swing, bungee jumping, and many more activities. Just a short drive from Rishikesh, we arrive at Devprayag, where the Alaknanda and Bhagirathi rivers merge to form the holy Ganga river.
हम अभी पहुंचे हैं देवप्रयाग। देवप्रयाग में दो नदियों का संगम है और मिलके बनाती है गंगा नदी। पहली नदी का नाम है अलकनंदा, जो पहाड़ी के सामने से आती है, और दूसरी नदी का नाम है भागीरथी, जो पहाड़ी के दूसरी तरफ से आती है। आपको पता है इन दोनों नदियों का कलर अलग अलग होता है। चलिए मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ।
The sheer energy of this confluence is way inspiring and deeply spiritual, making it a significant site for pilgrims and travelers alike. This holy site marks the beginning of the Ganga river, and here you can feel the power of the nature and the divine coming together in a unique way. Next we visit Dhari Devi, a sacred temple in Rudraprayag district. Perched amidst serene surroundings, this temple is dedicated to goddess Dhara, a guardian deity believed to protect the region from harm. It's a place of quiet reflection and divine grace. In Rudraprayag, the Alaknanda meets the Mandakini river. Creating another confluence of spiritual significance. This town is named after Lord Shiva and is also a gateway to many holy destinations in Uttarakhand. Further ahead lies Chopta, a pristine paradise known as the mini Switzerland of India. This small hamlet is surrounded by breathtaking landscapes, offering panoramic views of the majestic Himalayan peaks. It's also the base of famous Tungnath Trek, which is one of the highest Lord Shiva temple in the world. Our next destination is Kedarnath, one of the holiest shrines dedicated to Lord Shiva. Surrounded by towering peaks, the Kedarnath temple stands as a testament to devotion and resilience. Reaching here is both a spiritual and physical journey, as the path tests your endurance and faith. The serenity and divine energy of Kedarnath leave an indelible mark on every visitor's heart. Descending from the higher altitudes, we reach Karnaprayag, where the Pindar and the Alaknanda river meet. This town is named after the great warrior Karna from the Mahabharata and is steeped in mythology and history. Our journey continues to Nandprayag. Where the Alaknanda meets the Nandakani river. This peaceful town is an oasis to calm, perfect for soaking in the natural beauty and spiritual energy of the region. The last of the Panch Prayags on our journey is Vishnu Prayag, where the Dhauli Ganga joins the Alaknanda.
इसी तरह से आगे यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है भागीरथी और अलकनंदा नदी का संगम लिखा हुआ है जो जाके। इसी तरह से आगे रुद्रप्रयाग पड़ता है, फिर कर्णप्रयाग पड़ता है, नंदप्रयाग और विष्णुप्रयाग, और साथ में नदी का संगम बताया हुआ है कि कौन सी नदी का संगम है। यहाँ से अलकनंदा चलते हुए आती है और आते आते देवप्रयाग तक आती है। देवप्रयाग की वीडियो हमने आपको पहले दिखाई थी। देवप्रयाग तक आने के बाद ये गंगा बन जाती है।
This sacred site is a stunning reminder of nature's power and beauty. Further, we head to Joshimath, also known as Jyotirmath. Joshimath is a town in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. It serves as a base for pilgrims visiting Uttarakhand temple and it is also a gateway to Nanda Devi National Park and serves trekking route like Valley of Flowers, Kumari Pass, Satopant Yatra also. Next we visit Badrinath, one of the Char Dham pilgrimage sites dedicated to Lord Vishnu. This temple is set against a breathtaking backdrop of snow-covered peaks. It's not just a place of worship, but also a testament to the architectural and spiritual heritage of India. A short drive from Badrinath brings us to Oli, a winter wonderland and a skiing paradise. With these pristine slopes and panoramic views of Nanda Devi and other Himalayan peaks, Oli is a heaven for adventure enthusiasts and nature lovers. Our journey now takes us to Nainital, the city of lakes. The shimmering Naini Lake, surrounded by lush hills, is the heart of this beautiful hill station. Whether you are enjoying a boat ride or exploring the vibrant markets, Nainital is a perfect blend of natural beauty and charming culture. Our final stop is Almora, a serene hill town known for its traditional Kumaoni heritage and stunning vistas. From its peaceful temples to its vibrant bazaars, Almora offers a glimpse into the hearts of Uttarakhand's culture and traditions. As our journey comes to an end, Uttarakhand leaves us with the memories of its divine landscapes, spiritual energy, and awe-inspiring beauty. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the land of gods. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures.